Hello and welcome to Jedi Zen. Today's meditation you can do either lying down, sitting up, or even walking. Just be aware of where you are and don't walk into things, please. So we'll start this meditation by taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to return to its normal pattern, or you can keep breathing at a concentrated pace as we discuss today's Jedi mind trick. This is called the 10-10-10 rule. It's very useful when you are trying to make a decision which is either difficult or important, or seemingly important. This can also be used to determine whether or not a decision is actually as urgent or important as it at first seems. The 10-10-10 rule goes like this. When considering a situation, consider how you may feel about this situation 10 minutes from now, 10 months from now, and 10 years from now. An example of this may be you're at the dentist's office. Now, there's a tooth that has to be addressed, and it may cause you pain. So in the next 10 minutes, you may feel uncomfortable, anxious, maybe a certain amount of slight physical pain. However, 10 months from now, and certainly 10 years from now, you will probably thank yourself for having gone to the dentist to have this situation addressed. That is one example of the use of this rule. Another example may be you're in a dispute with a colleague at work, and you want to get your point across, and you may even want to win the confrontation or the situation. Now, in the next 10 minutes, that might make you feel good. But how would that affect your working relationship 10 months from now? You might be a little stressed. 10 years from now, the importance of winning that conversation probably will have little bearing on what you're doing 10 years from now. But at least with that kind of distance in time, you can bring yourself to see that perhaps allowing the other person to think that they won may have actually been a more prudent action, and that the importance of you winning was not as important as it first seemed. Those are just a few examples of how the 10-10-10 rule can be used as a Jedi mind trick to better improve your life. So now that the meditation is coming to an end, again, let's take 3 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. once more. That concludes this meditation. I hope this lesson has been useful to you. Why not try to apply it during the course of the rest of this day? If you find these meditations useful, please consider subscribing so that you can afford yourself the ability to learn more Jedi mind tricks. Thanks for listening to Jedi Zen. Have a great day.